So this little pulley was out around almost a 1/16 of an inch, which, putting a flat edge on it to align with the top pulley, it was out almost 1/4 of an inch, so it was flopping pretty good. I got online looking for pulleys, and this is pretty close to 9/16, which there's no such animal. And a lot of folks are buying pulleys and drilling them out to 9/16, but this is actually 0.544, which a 9/16 drilling would be a little bit oversized, so I'd probably end up with the same problem, pulley flopping around. So what I did in desperation was put it back together, and I used a small mini flat file and just set it in there and let the file hit the high spots. And when it which I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit of material it removed, squared off the face. As long as you keep the file, fairly flat, and keeping the end out of the inside so you're not hitting the set screw, that worked, and it's pretty true now. And I'm just trying to show, you can see the inside edge I couldn't really get to without pulling the cover, but I'm not too concerned about it. But all the edges were that far out around. And you can see right there's high. There's a divot there, and that's just in the casting, but the whole pulley was out that far. It was pretty bad. Harbor Freight supposedly sells parts for these, but all you can get is the belt. And like I said, everybody's getting 1/2 inch bore pulleys, drilling them out to 9/16, but I don't know how they're getting that to work, because it would be undersized quite a bit. Anyway, we're back in business. I kind of want to do that inside edge just because I can see it, but once the belt's on, cover's on, we'll be golden. Belt back on. Obviously I need to readjust the belt, but it's running true.